Hello, and thank you for joining us for this Clackamas County Emergency Operations Center update. We are still in the fourth surge of COVID-19, and cases still remain high in the county. However, the state has moved Clackamas County back into the high-risk category. That means that certain businesses can open up just a little bit more. Our Disaster Management Director, Nancy Bush, and Public Health Director, Philip Mason Joyner, provided the Board of County Commissioners an update on the cases within our community. Let's listen in.
So our risk level metrics, so for the 7-day total of COVID-19 patients that are going into hospitals is now at 351, which of course is over that 300 mark. The percentage of change, though, is under 15%, and this is why we are now going back into high risk from extreme risk from last week. So that is good news because that hospital bed metric has not been met. So the county metrics for the cases per 100,000 is 283.4 here in Clackamas County, and our test positivity rate is 7.7. Again, those would be putting us in extreme risk if it wasn't for the hospitals that measure going down. So the case count this week is 648. As you can see, it has continued to rise over the past several weeks. And we still do have a lot of cases coming here as well as in the region. It shows here in Clackamas County, we now have 16,869 total cases with a total of 209 deaths, and that is in addition to 2 deaths from last week and 668 additional cases from last week. Again, this is the statewide COVID-19 patients that are in hospitals. And you can see there that we do have that it's coming down from last week at this point. So that is on decline, at least from last week. And from there, I'm going to turn it over to Philip.
The public continues to be very interested in what we're seeing through our contact tracing efforts locally around outbreaks. Nancy mentioned we have over 600 cases within the county, 65 active outbreaks we are investigating currently. This is a little bit more detail in terms of the different types of settings that we're seeing outbreaks. So it is good to see that long-term care facilities have dropped. You can see the school-related outbreaks at 27. And then a whole different variety of workplaces, including food processing, landscaping, manufacturing, restaurants, and so on. We continue to make great progress around our vaccination efforts. So around 43% of our county's population has received at least 1 dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Out of that 179,000 people, 128,000 people are fully vaccinated. As we plug every week, our call center calls are going down. I think yesterday we had 42 calls, which was pretty low for us. Usually we're in the hundreds. So if you want to get an appointment and you need help with the technology, please call us at 503-655-8224. We're still open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. You can go on to our Clackamas County website. There are appointments on the website available right now. And then on the State of Oregon's website, the convention center is only going to be here for a few more weeks. You don't need to pre-register. You can now go on to their website. You can book an appointment right now at the convention center. So if that is an option for you, and you're able to get there, do it now before that resource is gone.
It's never been easier to find a COVID-19 vaccine than it is now. So please sign up for a vaccine and even check around for walk-up clinics in your community that don't require an appointment. Please do everything you can to protect yourself, protect your family, and protect your community. Please get your shot, wear your mask, and keep your distance. Thank you for joining us, and please stay safe.